Teradata Vantage Online Training by Industry Expert. Introduction. Teradata Vantage is a powerful analytics platform designed to handle large volumes of data and provide advanced analytics capabilities. It integrates data management, analytics, and machine learning functionalities into a single platform, allowing organizations to derive valuable insights from their data efficiently. Key features of Teradata Vantage. Unified Data Architecture. Teradata Vantage enables organizations to consolidate data from various sources, including traditional relational databases, data warehouse, and big data platforms, into a unified architecture for easy access and analysis. Advanced Analytics. The platform offers a wide range of advanced analytics capabilities, including predictive modeling, machine learning, and geospatial analysis to help organizations uncover patterns, trends, and insights in their data. Scalability and performance. Teradata Vantage is designed to scale horizontally to handle large volumes of data and support high-performance analytics, allowing organizations to process complex queries and analyses in real-time or near real-time. Hybrid Cloud Deployment. Teradata Vantage can be deployed on-premises, in the cloud, or in a hybrid environment, providing organizations with flexibility and agility in managing their data and analytics workloads. SQL-based interface. The platform supports standard SQL queries, making it easy for analysts and data scientists to interact with the data and perform complex analysis using familiar tools and techniques. Overall, Teradata Vantage empowers organizations to unlock the full potential of their data assets and drive better business outcomes through data-driven decision-making. Teradata Vantage comprises several core components that work together to provide a comprehensive analytics platform. Let's take a look. Analytics Database. Teradata Vantage serves as a high-performance database optimized for complex analytical tasks. It excels in handling large volumes of data and executing sophisticated queries. Advanced SQL Analytics. It offers a wide range of analytic functions beyond standard SQL. These include statistical analysis, time series analysis, path and pattern analysis, and more, directly within the database. Machine Learning and AI. Vantage supports in database Python and R, enabling users to build and execute machine learning models directly within the database environment where the data resides. Hybrid Workload Management. Vantage intelligently manages various types of queries, such as tactical, batch, and analytical, ensuring optimal performance across different workloads. Data Integration and Management. Teradata Vantage is designed to integrate seamlessly with different data sources and types, ensuring a unified view of the data landscape. Data Lakes. It can connect to data lakes stored in environments like Hadoop, AWS S3 or Azure Blob Storage, enabling organizations to gain insights from diverse data sources. Multiple data types. Vantage has native support for structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, allowing organizations to analyze a wide variety of data types. Query Grid. This feature enables the execution of queries that span multiple Teradata systems and even external databases, facilitating comprehensive analysis across distributed data environments. Deployment Flexibility. Teradata Vantage offers flexible deployment options to suit the needs of modern enterprises. Cloud. It is available on major cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, providing organizations with the scalability and agility of cloud computing. Hybrid. Organizations can choose to deploy Vantage in a hybrid environment, combining on-premises infrastructure with cloud resources, thereby retaining control over data residency and compliance. Teradata IntelliFlex. For on-premises deployments, Teradata offers IntelliFlex, its engineered hardware solution optimized for running Vantage, ensuring high performance and reliability in a dedicated infrastructure environment. Teradata Vantage offers several compelling benefits to organizations. Enterprise scalability. Vantage is engineered to manage enormous data volumes and handle complex analytical workloads, making it suitable for the largest enterprises. Whether it's processing massive datasets or executing intricate analytics tasks, Vantage provides the scalability needed to support the data requirements of large organizations without compromising performance. Unified insights. By bridging the gaps between disparate data sources such as data lakes, data warehouse, and various data types, Vantage facilitates a unified view of the data landscape. This integration enables organizations to analyze data holistically, uncovering correlations and insights that may have been previously obscured by data silos. With Vantage, businesses can gain comprehensive insights into their operations, customers, and market trends, driving informed decision-making. Flexibility. Vantage offers flexibility in deployment, allowing organizations to choose the model that best aligns with their infrastructure and security requirements. Whether it's deploying on-premises, in the cloud, or adopting a hybrid approach, Vantage accommodates diverse deployment scenarios, providing organizations with the agility to adapt to changing business needs and regulatory environments. Performance and optimization. Built with performance in mind, Vantage delivers speed and efficiency in data processing and analytics. Its architecture is optimized for high-performance analytics, enabling organizations to execute queries and analysis rapidly. Moreover, Vantage can be fine-tuned and optimized to maximize query performance, ensuring that analytical tasks are completed quickly and efficiently. By leveraging Vantage's performance capabilities, organizations can derive insights from their data in a timely manner, driving operational efficiency and competitive advantage. Application of Teradata Vantage. Customer 360 Analytics. Vantage enables organizations to gain comprehensive insights into customer behavior by analyzing data from multiple sources such as transaction records, social media interactions, customer service logs, and more. By integrating and analyzing this data, businesses can create detailed customer profiles, predict customer preferences and trends, personalize marketing strategies, and enhance customer experiences. Fraud detection. Leveraging its advanced analytics capabilities, Vantage is employed for fraud detection and prevention across various industries, including banking, insurance, and e-commerce. By analyzing patterns and anomalies in financial transactions, Vantage can identify potentially fraudulent activities in real time or through retrospective analysis, helping organizations mitigate risks and protect their assets. Supply chain optimization. Vantage plays a crucial role in optimizing supply chain operations by providing visibility, agility, and resilience. Through data analysis techniques such as forecasting, predictive modeling, and optimization algorithms, Vantage helps organizations streamline inventory management, improve demand forecasting accuracy, optimize distribution networks, and mitigate supply chain risks. This enables businesses to enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, and meet customer demands more effectively. Industry-specific analytics. Various industries, including retail, manufacturing, telecommunications, healthcare, and finance, leverage Vantage for addressing industry-specific analytics needs. For example, retail. Vantage is used for demand forecasting, inventory optimization, customer segmentation, and personalized marketing campaigns. Manufacturing. It helps optimize production processes, improve quality control, and minimize downtime through predictive maintenance. Telecommunications. Vantage aids in customer churn prediction, network optimization, and targeted marketing efforts. Healthcare. It supports population health management, clinical analytics, fraud detection in insurance claims, and drug discovery research. Finance. Vantage assists in risk management, regulatory compliance, portfolio optimization, and customer lifetime value analysis in banking, insurance, and investment sectors. In summary, Teradata Vantage serves as a powerful analytics platform with diverse applications, ranging from customer analytics and fraud detection to supply chain optimization and industry-specific analytics across various sectors. Its flexibility, scalability, and advanced analytics capabilities make it a valuable asset for organizations seeking to derive actionable insights from their data to drive business growth and innovation. Teradata Vantage is utilized across a wide range of industries due to its versatility and capability to handle diverse analytics needs. Some of the industries that commonly use Teradata Vantage include retail. Retailers leverage Teradata Vantage for demand forecasting, inventory optimization, customer segmentation, personalized marketing campaigns, and analyzing sales data to improve decision-making. Manufacturing. Manufacturers utilize Teradata Vantage for optimizing production processes, improving quality control, predictive maintenance, supply chain management, and analyzing sensor data from production equipment. Telecommunications. Telecommunication companies use Teradata Vantage for customer churn prediction, network optimization, targeted marketing, analyzing call detail records, and optimizing service offerings. Finance. Financial institutions employ Teradata Vantage for risk management, fraud detection, regulatory compliance, portfolio optimization, customer segmentation, and analyzing transaction data. Healthcare. Healthcare organizations leverage Teradata Vantage for population health management, clinical analytics, patient outcomes analysis, fraud detection in insurance claims, and drug discovery research. Insurance. Insurance companies use Teradata Vantage for underwriting and pricing, claims processing, fraud detection, customer retention, risk assessment, and analyzing policyholder data. Utilities. Utility companies utilize Teradata Vantage for grid optimization, predictive maintenance of infrastructure, demand forecasting, analyzing smart meter data, and customer analytics. Transportation and logistics. Transportation and logistics companies employ Teradata Vantage for route optimization, fleet management, supply chain optimization, demand forecasting, and analyzing shipping data. Government. Government agencies use Teradata Vantage for analyzing citizen data, fraud detection in social welfare programs, optimizing public services, cybersecurity, and policy analysis. Why choose Proexcellency? At Proexcellency, we understand the critical importance of acquiring top-notch skills in today's data-driven world. Here's why choosing Proexcellency for your Teradata Vantage online training needs is the best decision you can make. Our trainers are industry experts with extensive experience in Teradata Vantage and related technologies. They bring real-world insights and practical knowledge to the training sessions, ensuring that you receive the most relevant and up-to-date information. Our training curriculum is carefully designed to cover all aspects of Teradata Vantage, from basic concepts to advanced topics. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, our courses cater to learners of all levels and backgrounds. We believe in learning by doing. Our training programs include hands-on exercises, case studies, and projects that allow you to apply the concepts you've learned in a practical setting. This hands-on approach ensures that you gain practical skills that are directly applicable to your job role. We offer flexible learning options to accommodate your schedule and learning preferences. Whether you prefer self-paced online courses or live instructor-led sessions, we have options that suit your needs. In conclusion, choosing Proexcellency for your Teradata Vantage Online Training ensures that you receive top-quality education, hands-on experience, and ongoing support to excel in your career and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving field of data analytics. Join us today and take your skills to the next level. Contact us to get more information. Thank you for watching.